Probiotics are microorganisms naturally found in the stomach, intestines, and vagina. They can be disrupted by conditions like antibiotic use or travel. Probiotics are used to improve digestion and restore normal flora. They have been used to treat bowel problems, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. Probiotics are available in foods like yogurt, milk, juices, and soy beverages, as well as in dietary supplements like capsules, tablets, and powders. Different products have different uses, so it's important to check the label for information on the specific uses of your product. Some diet supplement products may contain harmful impurities or additives, so it's important to check with your pharmacist for more details. It's also important to note that the FDA has not reviewed this product for safety or effectiveness. It's always best to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this product may vary, so it's important to follow the instructions on the label or consult a healthcare professional. When using L.Acid Casei Saliv-B.Anim-L.Lactis-E.Faecium 2 billion cell PWD packet, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. Check the label to see if the dose should be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you're using the liquid form, make sure to measure the dose carefully with a special measuring device/spoon, not a household spoon. If you're taking antibiotics, it's important to take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking the antibiotics to ensure it works well. For diarrhea due to antibiotics, do not use this product if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless directed by your doctor. If your condition lasts or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. If you experience increased stomach gas or bloating, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to notify your doctor immediately if you experience any signs of infection, such as a persistent cough, high fever, or chills. While a serious allergic reaction to this product is rare, seek medical help if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so make sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed here. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking L.Acid Casei Saliv-B.Anim-L.Lactis-E.Faecium 2 billion cell PWD packet, make sure to inform your healthcare provider if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. If you have certain health conditions such as prolonged diarrhea, weakened immune system, recurrent vaginal or urinary tract infections, diabetes, phenylketonuria, PKU, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it is important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Additionally, if you are scheduled for surgery, inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using. During pregnancy, use this product only when clearly needed and consult your doctor about the risks and benefits. It is also important to consult your doctor before using this product if you are breastfeeding, as it is unknown if it passes into breast milk. When taking this medication, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. Certain medications, such as antibiotics and antifungals, may interact with this probiotic. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist to avoid any potential risks. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Remember to keep all your medical and lab appointments. It's important to note that some brands of this medication may also contain other ingredients, like fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the specific ingredients in your brand, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take an extra dose to make up for the missed one. When using probiotics, it's important to follow the storage instructions on the product packaging. Some probiotics need to be refrigerated, while others do not. If you're unsure about how to store your probiotics, ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's also important to keep all medications, including probiotics, out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding probiotics, do not flush them down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly dispose of the product when it reaches its expiration date or when you no longer need it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to dispose of probiotics properly. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.